What if the moment the clock strikes midnight, your home could feel like a glamorous celebration filled with sparkle, glow, and hope? What if you could create a New Year atmosphere that doesn't just look festive, but truly feels like a fresh beginning? New Year decor isn't just about glitter or parties. It's about energy. It's about intention. It's about stepping into a new chapter surrounded by light, positivity, and inspiration. Imagine golden accents catching candlelight, elegant table setups waiting for countdown celebrations, soft, shimmering decor glowing in the dark, and a space that feels alive with excitement for what's ahead. Today, we're transforming your home into a beautiful New Year wonderland. Modern, elegant, celebratory, and full of new beginnings.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why decorate your home for New Year at all? New Year decorating is emotional. It shifts your environment into a space that symbolizes renewal. It invites hope, clarity, celebration, and intention into your home. It gives your environment the same fresh start energy you feel inside. Decorating makes the moment feel special. It turns an ordinary evening into a memorable transition. It adds glamour, sparkle, and meaning to the countdown. A decorated space encourages joy, the kind that helps you reflect on the past year while getting excited for what's ahead. It also sets the tone for the year you want to create: bright, organized, intentional, inspiring, and full of beauty. If you love creating magical moments at home, hit that like button to keep the inspiration flowing. What is the best color palette for New Year decorations? New Year's color schemes are rich, elegant, and full of energy. They represent hope, success, clarity, and the sparkle of new beginnings. Gold is the signature color, symbolizing prosperity, warmth, and celebration. Silver adds a cool shimmer that reflects light beautifully, making your decor feel futuristic and fresh. Black brings contrast, drama, and sophistication. White adds purity and a clean start feeling. Champagne tones, soft metallics, and glitter accents create a glamorous but elegant New Year atmosphere. You can mix gold and black for a bold, luxurious look, silver and white for a wintry feel, or champagne tones for a soft, modern, elevated style. Your palette should feel uplifting, something that makes you excited for the year ahead. Subscribe for more color-themed decor ideas for every celebration throughout the year. How can you decorate your living room for New Year's Eve? The living room is where countdown magic happens, so it should feel vibrant, sparkling, and full of movement. Start by adding metallic accents: gold candle holders, shimmering, pillows, sequin throws, and clear glass pieces that reflect light. Place a New Year banner across the fireplace or wall to set the theme instantly. Add fairy lights throughout the room, along shelves, draped over furniture, or tucked behind decor, to create a soft, glowing ambiance. Decorate your coffee table with a New Year centerpiece using candles, confetti, greenery, or floating balloons. Place small touches like champagne-colored florals, glitter stems, clear vases, or mirrored trays to add dimension and shine. Your living room becomes the perfect celebration space, warm, festive, and beautifully lit. Check the description for the New Year living room pieces featured in this video. How can you create a stunning New Year table setup for celebrations or parties? Your New Year table is where memories are made, where guests gather, toast, and enjoy the moment. Decorating it should feel special. Start with a metallic or velvet table runner for instant glamour. Use elegant plates, gold or silver flatware, crystal glasses, and soft napkins tied with ribbon or metallic rings. The centerpiece is the star. Combine candlelight with greenery, shimmering stems, or mini disco balls for added sparkle. Add confetti, number cutouts, or a glowing countdown centerpiece to bring movement and excitement. Every place setting should feel intentional, polished, festive, and ready for celebration. Save this video to your playlist so you can recreate your New Year table perfectly. How can lighting transform your New Year decorations? New Year's magic happens in the glow. Lighting creates excitement, elegance, and celebration all at once. Use warm string lights draped across walls, shelves, or furniture. Add LED candles for soft flickering glow without worry. Place glowing orbs or disco lights on the floor for movement and color. Fairy lights inside glass vases or lanterns add a magical sparkle that feels luxurious. When the lights dim for the countdown, your home glows with golden warmth, making the moment unforgettable. Check the description for lighting pieces that add instant New Year sparkle. What decorations work best for a New Year party backdrop or photo wall? A New Year backdrop becomes one of the most memorable parts of your celebration, the place where you take photos, countdown videos, and memory-filled moments. Use metallic fringe curtains in gold or silver to create a glamorous base. Add floating balloons, LED numbers, glowing 2025 signs, or star-shaped lights. Place streamers, confetti balloons, or disco balls for extra sparkle. Even a simple velvet curtain with fairy lights behind it can look luxurious and camera-ready. The secret is layers, combining textures, light, and contrast to create a backdrop that feels lively and festive. Like and share this video if you love glamorous backdrop ideas. How can you decorate your home bar or drink station? The drink station is a key element of any New Year celebration. It should feel inviting, stylish, and ready for guests to gather around. Add a bar cart or tray decorated with sparkling accents. Gold glasses, elegant bottles, cocktail napkins, and festive picks. Place a small centerpiece on the cart using candles or disco balls. Hang a mini cheers banner or add a glowing sign near the drink area. Your bar station becomes a beautiful, functional celebration moment, perfect for toasts, photos, and midnight cheers. Check the description for bar cart decor and accessories featured in this video. How can you create New Year centerpieces for tables, consoles, or entryways? Centerpieces bring life to the room. They are small, beautiful focal points that carry your theme effortlessly. Combine candles with metallic accents, winter greenery, or blown glass ornaments. Use number candles or 2025 figures to tie in the theme. Place clear vases filled with glitter branches, silver stems, or mini disco balls. Add ribbon, sequins, or champagne elements for a glamorous finish. Centerpieces turn ordinary surfaces into glowing New Year statements full of festive energy. Comment your favorite New Year centerpiece style: gold glam, modern white, or silver shimmer. And that is how you create magical, unforgettable, elegant New Year decorations. The kind that sparkle through the night, celebrate the moment, and inspire your heart for the year ahead. From glowing lights to shimmering tables. From glamorous backdrops to cozy living room details. From symbolic colors to joyful centerpieces. Every piece creates atmosphere, energy, and emotion. Every detail helps you step into the new year with joy, beauty, and excitement. This year, let your home shine. Let it glow. Let it celebrate the beautiful journey ahead. Happy New Year! May your home and heart sparkle with possibility.